top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, a trailer hitch, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and more than 20 speakers, providing an unparalleled richness of audio. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.